Well, thank you for tuning in. Today on the program, we're going to be assembling this C-Liner. This is from AHM. Now, I did some prep work here. I rewired it, put some wires on there. We got to build the motor and finish building the front trucks, lube some stuff up, and all that great stuff. So here, let's just go ahead and get started. Alright. It's shiny. And don't you know it. If I have containers. Remember rightly, I tore apart a whole bunch of these. This one. And one other one's the only one I rebuilt, so. Alright, in order to rebuild this motor, I gotta have that. I have the magnet. Yes, I've tried to put earth magnets in these 3-pole motors, but there's just no way of doing that. And well, you know it. So good my parts here. What I'm looking for. Oops. That was one. That was too big, right? I'd like to have that one back. Yep. Right there we go. For the bottom, I got that washer on there, brush washer they call them, I guess. Well, you know it. So we're gonna clean up this commutator. First, the thrust washer falls off. In case you're wondering what I'm using here, this is a fiberglass pencil. Which, if you look, it's shiny right there is dirt. See dirt? I don't know if you can see it or not, but see this side's dirty, and then this side's clean. Anyway, it does a really good job. Way better than I ever imagined. And I didn't really think that this would be too big a deal. I knew about cleaning them. Another YouTuber told me about doing this thing here. Cleaning out these little slots right here. Take a toothpick, clean them out. Now, I didn't think that would be a big deal right there, but I found one that I was having a lot of trouble with. Went in there and did this. And these were almost packed full. One right here in the center. Oh, man, you wouldn't believe the difference in how they ran. Man, 100% turnover. Just from cleaning that commutator like that. So, get that in there. Like that. That thrust washer on like that. Hoot lube on here. That was probably a little bit too much. Just to let you know, the lube I'm using is oil and it has Teflon in it. If you ever see lube that has PTFE on it, PTFE, do not get it on anything that has to have there's a connector, because although Teflon's a great, because PTF is Teflon, Teflon is a great lubricant. Okay. Oh, come on. Anyway, so Teflon is an excellent lubricant. We just want a little bit on there to lube that up. But it does not conduct electricity. It will not pass it by. I've watched some videos where they've put that lubricant on there and once they did that, that was it. So there, we got the motor back together. Real good strength there. We put some shrink wrap on this here spring. I think I probably should. Oh, the springs are miserable.
Look at that. I have a chiropractor appointment.
Oh.
Are you videoing your work?
Yes. Where my video? Wait. Alright, got the motor in. Now let's try to get this other brush in. I don't know how else to do this because too much water in here. Alright. Now we're going to flip this over and do these bottom trucks. Now these bottom trucks are where there they have the contacts in them. You know, sometimes words just slip me. Anyway, what I'm doing is I'm taking my pair of pliers or my tweezers, going in there, pinching the pieces of copper in there so that they and you can't see it real good. I'm saying that because I can't see it real good. Anyway, slipping them in there and putting them together so that they'll make contact. That whole thing slips my mind. Anyway, time to put on the cover. So, goes on like that. And I gotta dig out some screws. Screws. I did have one here. I don't know what's that. There's one. Crazy how that AHM there's that. They use the self-threading like wood screws Anyway, and then they use that. I don't know why they did that. I just find it fascinating. Well, I guess it's actually templed it. Built these. Of course, won't go in. That's why today they got Phillips. There's that side. By me, you know? Alright, there we go. Corset. Alright, there we got that fixed. Then there we have it. It's all fixed up. So, in a minute here, we're going to next. Alright, we got our track set up, and just want to look. We got that 5-pole motor in here, all set up and ready to go. And if you look, right there's that screw. We rewired it. Got the light working. So here we're just going to put this thing on. Try her out. So oops, Ralph test track. It runs really nice. So, alright, let's try our other one that we put together. What we got running. Of course. There you go. That way. I don't know if you notice the difference, but there is a big difference in how they take off, and so there you have it. we have our 2 locomotives that we put together for you, showed you. Now this is only part 2. We're going to a couple more series on how to fix these trucks. Now this one here is in good shape, but some of them are broke, and we're going to be repairing those and then going from there. Hey, you have a great day, and thanks for watching.